In the production and use of cold welding machines, the following 5 major problems are often encountered. Is there any way to solve these 5 problems? 1. Possible phenomenon 1. The welding wire is beaded and fails to melt on the workpiece. 1. Reason: the tungsten needle is too far away from the workpiece, and the welding wire is too close. Solution: place the tungsten needle at a distance of 0.3-1.0 mm from the welding wire extension line, and keep the distance from the workpiece at a height of 0.2-0.7 mm. When stepping on the foot switch, do not let the tungsten needle shift because of the foot. 2. Reason: the output power setting of the cold welder is too small. Solution: adjust the pulse time and pulse current of the cold welding machine to increase the output power of the machine. 3. Reason: the welding head is not sharp and the strength is scattered. Solution: refer to the manual and sharpen the welding head. 4. Reason: the torch tilts too much, causing the discharge to be placed directly on the welding wire. Solution: try to make the welding gun perpendicular to the workpiece, and keep the angle between the welding wire and the tungsten needle at 90 degrees. 5. Reason: the end of the welding wire does not touch the workpiece. Solution: ensure that the end of the welding wire is in close contact with the workpiece, especially when the end of the welding wire is slightly inclined upward. Pay attention to adjustment. 2. Possible phenomena: black or yellow solder joints. 1. Reason: the exposed part of the tungsten needle is too long, resulting in insufficient argon protection. Solution: readjust the tungsten needle to keep the exposed part at about 8 mm. 2. Reason: the output power of the cold welder is set to large. Solution: adjust the pulse time and pulse current of the machine. 3. Reason: the surface of the workpiece is dirty. Solution: remove oil stains and oxide impurities on the surface of the workpiece. 4. Reason: the argon gas is not turned on or there is no argon gas. Solution: when stepping on the pedal, check whether the ceramic nozzle sprays argon. If you cannot feel argon, please check whether the valve of the argon cylinder is open and the pressure reducing valve is working properly. 3rd, the phenomenon that may be encountered: the machine has arcing sound, but it cannot be welded. 1. Reason: the grounding cable is not connected to the workpiece. Solution: connect the grounding cable to the workpiece reliably. 2. Reason: raise your hand high and don't touch the metal induction coil on the welding gun. Solution: when holding the welding gun, always keep at least one finger or palm touching the metal induction coil to ensure arc ignition. 4th, possible phenomenon: the welding wire cannot be welded after beading. 1. Reason: the diameter of the crimping part of the welding wire is larger than the original diameter, resulting in insufficient welding power. Solution: cut off the beaded part or place the tungsten needle at a lower than standard position, close to the workpiece and welding wire, in order to ensure the welding quality and beauty. It is recommended to cut off the crimping part. 5. Possible phenomena: tungsten needles often stick to the workpiece. 1. Reason: too close to the workpiece. Solution: keep the distance between the tungsten needle and the workpiece long. 2. Reason: too much material is drawn by the welding wire. Solution: cut the welding wire, or cut off the crimping part of the welding wire directly if there is crimping.